So my name is Arjun and I'm the founder of FreeSoul, and FreeSoul is a female-focused nutritional brand. We do complete meals, powdered nutritional blends and high protein powders, and it's all been formulated by one of the leading nutritionists in the UK. So I've grown up in a family where business was always discussed at the dinner table, and while I was in my previous job in the city, my dad actually suffered a really serious health scare, and it was an incredibly stressful time for my mum, and she turned to exercise as a sort of stress outlet. But we couldn't find products that were nutritionally innovative and genuinely justifiably supportive of the female body. And so I decided to quit my job and start working with leading nutritionists to develop FreeSoul. Setting up the supply chain was a massive kind of big task. But alongside that, there was the whole creative process of creating a brand, and that was a lot of fun. We started online through listing on our website, but it became apparent to us that we also needed to supplement this with an Amazon listing. So I started listing on Amazon early 2018, and it's been a great experience ever since. Amazon is such a trusted platform that offers massive convenience to the end consumer. Customers are already purchasing from Amazon, and so not being there, you're missing out on a massive opportunity to sell to customers that want to buy your product. Pairing the creative art of telling your brand story with the analytical tools that Amazon provides is a really great match. I love what I do because I'm able to impact the end consumer. And so we directly impact people's lives through what they fuel their body with. One of the first customers that ever purchased from us, she actually painted a painting for us, which is in the corner of this office. And so just being able to deliver that level of customer satisfaction is an amazing feeling. And so we're actually impacting female lives, and the inbound response from the customers makes it all worthwhile.